AI is revolutionizing marketing. Want to automate content, boost SEO, and optimize ads? Stick around as I reveal the best AI tools for marketers in 2025. Hey marketers, AI is changing the game. Today I'm showing you the top AI tools that will take your marketing to the next level. Let's dive in. Category 1. Content creation. Jasper AI, AI-powered content generation for blogs, ads, and social media. Copy.ai, great for short-form content and social media captions. Write Sonic, ideal for blog writing and ad copy. Category 2. SEO and keyword research. Surfer SEO, AI-driven SEO recommendations. ClearScope helps optimize content for better ranking. Market Views, AI-powered content strategy insights. Category 3. Ad optimization. Adzuma, AI-driven ad management and optimization. Pencil AI automates ad creatives with AI. Smartly.ai, AI-powered ad campaign management. Category 4. Chatbots and customer engagement. ChatGPT, versatile chatbot for customer interaction. Drift, AI-driven sales and marketing chatbot. ManyChat, great for automated Facebook Messenger marketing. Category 5. Email marketing and personalization. Seventh Sense, AI-powered email send time optimization. Phrasey, AI-generated email subject lines and copy. MailChimp AI, AI features for automation and analytics. Category 6. Social media automation. Lately, AI-powered social media content repurposing, or Koya, automates social media post creation. Pretties.ai, AI-generated social media captions and creatives. Category 7. Video and image generation. Synthesia, AI-generated video avatars. Runway ML, AI-powered video editing tools. Midjourney, AI image generation for creative marketing. That's a wrap. These AI tools can supercharge your marketing. Let me know in the comments which tool you're excited to try. Links in description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights. See you next time.